Ever found yourself staring at your Vivid app, wondering how to get rid of an old payment method? You know, the one that's been sitting there, collecting virtual dust, like a forgotten pair of socks in the laundry basket? We've all been there. Maybe you've switched banks, or perhaps you just want to declutter your digital wallet. Whatever the reason, deleting a payment method on Vivid is a simple process. But before we dive into the steps, let's understand why you might want to do this. Security. Keeping your account secure is paramount. If you suspect a payment method has been compromised, removing it can help prevent unauthorized transactions. Convenience. A clean and organized digital wallet can make managing your finances much easier. Accountability. Deleting unused payment methods can help you stay on top of your spending habits. Step-by-step guide. Open the Vivid app. The first step is obvious, right? Open the Vivid app on your smartphone. Navigate to Settings. Look for the Settings icon, usually located in the bottom right corner. Tap on it to access your app settings. Find Payment Methods. Within the Settings menu, you should find an option related to payment methods or cards. Tap on it. Select the payment method. You'll now see a list of all the payment methods linked to your Vivid account. Tap on the one you want to delete. Delete option. Once you've selected the payment method, look for a Delete or Remove button. It might be located somewhere within the payment method details. Confirm deletion. A confirmation prompt will likely appear. Read it carefully and tap Delete or Remove again to confirm your decision. Additional tips. Backup. Before deleting a payment method, consider backing up any important information associated with it, such as card numbers or expiration dates. Security check. If you're deleting a payment method due to security concerns, it's a good idea to review your account activity and report any suspicious transactions. Customer support. If you encounter any difficulties or have questions during the deletion process, don't hesitate to contact Vivid's customer support. Deleting a payment method on Vivid is a straightforward process that can help you maintain a secure and organized digital wallet. By following these simple steps, you can easily remove any unwanted payment methods from your account. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about Vivid or need help with anything else, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.